What's going on, everyone? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today I'm going to get the worm bin back together, so I'll show you how I'm doing that. I have a bunch of shredded cardboard and paper, and I'm not cleaning this out 100%, so it'll have a little bit of the bacteria and life kind of already starting in the bin. So I'm going to quick fill this up. So adding a little sand and then water. I'll give it a quick toss and then add a little bit more water to it. Okay, so just going to add these guys. I got some stragglers in there. Kind of help to add some water to the bin too. Just adding a little bit of coffee grounds to it. Let these guys start kind of getting back into the swing of things. Hopefully they settle in nicely. Well, thank you for watching how I prepped the new bin. I went ahead and I baited the last few worms that were in the castings. I'll show you that now. Okay, checking where I just fed a few days ago. As you can see, this paper dried out real nice, the coffee filter. So it was right in here. Oh yeah, there's some worms in there. Let's move that over that way. Still kind of wet. And then I'll just take these food scraps and throw that into the new bin. So got a few more to add to the bin. But still very moist. Definitely about 3 weeks or so before I want to try to sift, I gotta get that bubble wrap off. And I'll add just a little bit more water, get the coffee filter moist again. Okay. Cover it up with some bubble wrap again. Okay, and start this process all over again. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.